Want to make money while you sleep? Imagine earning a steady income without working 9 to 5. In this video, I'll share the top 10 passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. But wait, which idea is the best for you? Stick around till the end and I'll help you figure that out. Let's dive in. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is like planting a money tree. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Microsoft pay dividends to their investors regularly. Just buy and hold the right stocks and watch your money grow effortlessly. Best for people with extra cash who want a stable long-term income. Owning rental properties is one of the oldest and most effective ways to earn passive income. Whether you buy a house, rent it out, or list it on Airbnb, real estate can generate monthly cash flow while increasing in value. Best for those who have some capital and are willing to manage properties or hire a property manager. Do you have knowledge or skills that others want to learn? Create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Once your course is live, you keep earning every time someone enrolls. Best for experts, teachers, or anyone with valuable skills to share. Affiliate marketing is about promoting products and earning a commission for every sale. Many YouTubers and bloggers make thousands per month by recommending products through special links. Best for content creators, bloggers, and website owners. Writing an ebook may take effort up front, but once published, it sells for years. Platforms like Amazon Kindle and Audible allow authors to make money passively without worrying about inventory. Best for writers, storytellers, or industry experts. Want to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without handling inventory? Print-on-demand services like Printful and Redbubble allow you to upload designs, and they handle everything from printing to shipping. Best for graphic designers and creative entrepreneurs. If you love real estate but don't want to deal with tenants, REITs are the perfect alternative. They allow you to invest in real estate without buying physical properties, and you still earn rental income through dividends. Best for investors looking for real estate exposure without property management. Are you a photographer, musician, or videographer? Upload your work to stock websites and every time someone downloads it, you get paid. This is a great way to earn continuously from something you created once. Best for creatives who can produce high-quality digital assets. If you have a unique app idea, you can hire a developer or use no-code tools to build one. Mobile apps with in-app purchases or ads can generate passive income for years. Best for developers or anyone with a great app idea. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. With AI tools and outsourcing, you can create faceless YouTube channels that generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Best for entrepreneurs who want to build a passive content business. Now the big question, which passive income idea is best for you? Here's a simple way to decide. If you have money to invest, go for stocks, real estate, or REITs. If you have skills, try online courses, ebooks, or YouTube automation. If you are creative, explore print-on-demand, stock photos, or app development. Comment below which idea excites you the most. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next one. Visuals, end screen, subscribe, recommended videos, social media links.